We have our own in Kisii, that's Matiang'i, whom I'm supporting. I'm the spokesman of the Kisii community. And being a spokesman of the Kisii community, it calls upon myself indeed to stand with the person that I talk on behalf, and that is Fred Matiang'i. And I want to call upon my senator, stop being petty. We know what runs around in your blood. You have tried to delay us, but we are not going to accept. We know what kind of material you are made of. But I want to, again as a governor, to remain sober, focused in terms of making all to be part of the government. That's the call I'm making. There is some people who are extortionists in the camp of opposition. Their business is collecting money from unsuspecting candidates. We want to warn them that we can't move far with this kind of people in the struggle. Otherwise, you'll be puncturing us before we make a move. But I'm offended because of one individual here in Kisii who thinks he can go around. He has been soliciting money from those, actually he has been soliciting money from these unsuspecting leaders in the country. Given money to go to Mombasa, anafika mtoto wa ndei, anapiga, anaingia kwa pombe, anarudi. That's why you have not been seeing him around. We want to warn people. There are characters here who are extortionists, number one. But when they talk on TV, in the breakfast TV, you'll think he's an angel. They are not. These are rogue leaders. And we are going to call them out at the right time. We'll tell the Kenyans what they have taken us through. Therefore, for Gachagua, you are welcome. I can tell you, Gachagua, you come to Kisii, I will welcome you as our brother. We served with you in Parliament. Kalonzo comes, he has been my leader. I will welcome him. Ruto comes, I will welcome him as my president. Raila comes here as my party leader, I will welcome him. Therefore, I will welcome him. I even Wajakoya, another person who thinks that he can ask votes from Kisii. I will welcome them. That you are assured. Therefore, these the ones who are battling some lies on media, social media. We don't want to go that direction. This country, we are one. We are facing the same problems. We want to sort. If there is anybody else who can also advise President Ruto, unlike some characters who are around him, for the 2 years remaining, we see how the country is moving forward. Yes.
Last time,